Hey guys, welcome to Born to Win. My name's Luis. If you guys are watching this video, this is going to be the first video of the channel. I don't want to be that guy that's going to be making a long ass intro video, so I'll be fairly brief. If you guys are watching this video, you guys are going to be part of an amazing journey. That's going to be a crazy entrepreneurial journey of my life, okay? So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I come from the dirt and how I make it all the way to the top, okay? So I kind of missed out on the beginning part because honestly, I've already got a little bit of traction going, but I'm nowhere where I want to be. So there's a lot to be recorded in these next couple of years that I'm going to be grinding on this channel, okay? So I simply started this channel just because I didn't have a mentor as I was going on my entrepreneurial journey. I never had someone that sat me down and said, hey Luis, like, go into sales, go into this is where you make money, this is where you don't. Save your money, don't be stupid with it, don't buy this, don't buy that. I had to learn it on my own. I had to learn the hard way. I had to lose my money. I had to spend it on stupid shit. I just had to do all that stuff because I don't come from a background. Just a little bit of background on me. My name's Luis Jimenez. I come from a very rough upbringing. My parents were immigrants. They actually immigrated over here from Mexico. That typical story when it comes down to immigrants, we don't have much, so we grind for what we have. And that's why I made this channel, to give people a shot, people that were counted out by society, told that they weren't going to be anything, because number one, I wasn't successful at school. I dropped out my first class of college, okay? So I wasn't successful by any bit. I wasn't the guy that got the most likely to succeed award, let's just say that, okay? So blah blah blah. I'll dive in more deep into my story and why I began this the entrepreneurial journey later on in other videos, but I'm just giving you a quick rundown of what journey you're hopping on when you subscribe to this channel and what type of information you're going to be receiving from me, okay? So you could expect to see mentors on here, high-level millionaire mentors that have helped me get to where the success that I have right now, and have taught me high income skills that I've literally used in my business to thrive and make money, okay? So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and on top of that, I'm going to be sharing you guys how I become a millionaire, how I become the person that you're going to be seeing in 1 to 2 years. And mark my words, this will be the first video that you'll see. Probably 2 years down the line, 1 year, 6 months. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I know that this is going to be an amazing journey. And I know that since when I started it, I didn't think I would be in the position that I am right now, which is making a YouTube channel about how to be an entrepreneur and how to learn from your mistakes and possibly help you out. This is just my experience, okay guys? This is what worked for me. I'm not saying it's gonna guarantee work for you, but in a way I am saying that it is gonna work. If you apply any principles, especially the principles, high-level principles that I've gathered by spending thousands and thousands of dollars with high-level millionaire mentors, which I've spent money on them and I've invested in myself, but I could provide it to you for free. And that's the awesome part. So if anything, I'm gonna be giving you guys all that access completely free. You know those courses that you get online? I'm gonna share a lot of stuff that's probably gonna piss a lot of people off. The reason being is because usually people charge thousands and thousands of dollars for the information that I'm gonna be giving you guys. But I don't care. That's what I'm here to do. Interrupt everyone in the industry and force people to get better and force people to show people more about how to be successful, okay? So I'm glad that you guys were able to see this little rundown about my channel. Born to Win is gonna be a great channel for all the entrepreneurs that are young and up and coming. Like I said, I hope to see you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe and share button, bro. I'll find you, bro. Hit it right now, brother and sister. Hit it right now, because you're gonna go on a beast of a journey with me. You're gonna see a lot of growth, a lot of progress. You're gonna see my trials and tribulations as well. You're gonna see my failures. I'm not gonna shy away from just showing you the nice parts. I'm gonna show you all of the above and what goes along with this journey, okay? So I'm glad that you guys got got to watch this video, whether it was through my Instagram, whether you know me through school, whatever the case may be. I'm glad that you're here. So let's get into it, and I don't want to waste too much of your guys' time, okay? So I'll see you guys tomorrow, most likely. I'll be posting the type of schedule and routine that I'm going to be having with this YouTube channel is going to be fairly simple, okay? It's not going to be very complicated. What I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be doing 3 uploads every week. That's going to be 3 uploads minimum. You might see a little bit more, or but that's going to be the minimum. It's not going to be less than 3 uploads, okay? So you guys know what to expect from me and what type of content to expect from me. So hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and just remember, you were born to win. You make the extraordinary look ordinary. Until next time, guys. Later.